And just today I'm going to be showing you how to get slime off of your carpet. The things you're going to be needing are basic and rubbing alcohol. You're also going to need pads, cotton balls or pads. And also, of course, you're going to need slime on the carpet. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this slime on the carpet. I have a big batch right here. And I'm going to set this on the carpet. And I'm going to take it off the carpet. And I swear we need one more ingredient. Oh, that reminded me. I'm going to go fill this up with water and soap. I'll be right back. I'm back. Because as you can see, the slime is a little sticky. And of course, if you have sticky slime, that would be harder. If you have not sticky slime, it will be easier because then it don't stick to everything. So here goes nothing. I'm gonna put you guys at the ground right like this. I'm gonna sit it on the carpet. As you can see, it's on the carpet now. As you can see, mine is sticky, so it's going to be harder. I'm going to put a little bit more. This is my slime because it's a big batch. And one time I actually got slime stuck on my carpet before, and I did not know how to get it off, so I just told my mom. I had no idea how to get it off. So as you can see, it's very like stuck now, and I'm like pushing it down because like it needs to stick. So as you can see, oh, and also you're also going to need one more ingredient. That's called a spoon and a big toothpick, and that will get in between the carpet. So there will be none in between the carpet. I have some over here that's hardened. It's pink right here. It's a different slime. So let's get this out of the carpet. And I've done this hack thousands of times. There's an easier hack. There's this one lady. Her name's Kukulaka. Okay, not really, but I don't know what her name is. But you can take any activator, the activator that you used for your slime, just take that in a spoon, and then just take your spoon and then just like scrape it off to get all the extra and stuff like that. So yeah. This slime is actually pretty expensive because this was $6. It's not that expensive, but it's just a little expensive. I did not go to Five Below for this, but yes, this is going to be a little hard to get off because this is sticky. And it's on my finger. You guys can't see it, but it's on my finger. Look, I'll set it in, and look, it's sticky. Now it's on me. So, yeah, it's still on me. It's sticky, and it's not that fun to play with because, like, I'm trying to, like, get this off me. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take your spoon and just go scrape. And just put it right in your slime container. Ooh, what is that? Alpha Man. Ooh, what is that? There's nothing in it. Yes, I did vacuum my floor before this, so there's no like bad stuff in it. And now you just want to take your little toothpick to get in between of your carpet, and it will get all the slime off. It don't matter if it's long. I don't know what the long ones are called, but yeah, this will get this loosened up. It will not take all the slime out, but it will take some out. It will get it loosened up, and this will be easier for you to be able to get the slime out. And now you just want to take your cotton pads and just rub it. And this will kind of make it like become less out of your carpet. And as you can see, the cotton pad took a little bit out, so that's why you want to rub it for a little while. I will see you guys in a couple minutes while I rub it, and you want to rub this for about 2 minutes. Okay, it's been 2 minutes now, and it kind of got a little bit of slime. Oh, put that right in my slime. Okay, now you just want to take your rubbing alcohol. This will loosen it up even more, and it will help it come out. So yeah, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a cotton ball also. And now this is your cotton ball. I'm going to get it with rubbing alcohol. And let's put some rubbing alcohol. You only want to get about 2 drops or a little pour, but not just a little bit, and it should look like that. About the size of your middle, about the size of my middle finger on a cotton ball. And now you just want to rub with your rubbing alcohol and also with your cotton pad, and just rub this for about 30 seconds. Okay, it's been 30 seconds, and now you want to take your soapy water and just pour this down. And just let that sit for a little bit. Let it get loosened up and that will help the slime come out. Just wait for a little while, and as you can see, it's like coming out. It looks white, but really there's slime there. Like right here, there's slime. So I'm gonna pour right here where the slime was, because I need to pour a little bit more. And just let that soak for a little bit. It looks white to you, but it's really not, because see, that looks a little pinkish. This is that pink. Yeah, it's just pink. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, it's been a little while now. Now I'm just gonna rub this up. And as you can see, it's like picking up some slime glitter and some what's it called? Slime. It's picking up lots of slime, and now you just want your toothpick again, and this will help it get loosened up. and just go like this a little bit. And this will help it loosen up. Just stab it and make lines. Okay, I made a little bit of lines. Now you just want to pour a little bit of rubbing alcohol on. Just saying, when you use your, what's it called, activator, it leaves a stain on your carpet, and this does not leave a stain on your carpet. And so if you're trying to keep slime off and the stain off, definitely watch this, because if you don't want your parents knowing that you had at least slime on your carpet, definitely watch this video and watch the rest of it, because it's awesome. And so just use your spoon, make sure there's not a little bit more slime in there. Okay, there's not that much slime now. The slime's completely out, but there's still a little bit of stains. So now you want to take your basic and just spray that down. And now you just want to rub that with a cotton pad. And that will get the stain out. It will get a little wet in that slime spot. And as you can see, the slime stain is out and the slime's out. So, hope you guys liked the video. Leave a like, subscribe, comment below if it worked. If it didn't work, just try your activator, whatever your activator was. Like, take a cotton pad and just rub it, put your activator on like that, and then just rub it really hard. And I hope you guys liked it. And just remember, it's rubbing alcohol, soapy water, basic, a spoon, and a long toothpick. If you guys don't have a long toothpick, just take some kind of pencil or pen, and that will definitely you will be able to use it as a toothpick or something. So I hope you guys like it. Bye. Remember to subscribe, like, and put my notifications on, and comment if it worked. Bye.